I'm just about to go for a shower. My hair really needs washed, as you can tell, but I'm gonna put in a hair mask and then wash it this evening, I think. As you can maybe tell from my voice, and in my last video I said that we were both not feeling very well, and the sickness did hit us. I'm feeling like alright. How are you feeling?
I was feeling worse than you, but I'm feeling my throat's more sore, but everything else is fine. I'm on the way out.
Yeah, I think I am too.
Was it about 2 days? Really?
Yeah.
Wasn't that bad. This boy just meowed. Meow?
Hello, Nemo.
Now you stop meowing, he's camera shy.
But obviously, well, I feel like I always feel like I feel disgusting after I'm sick. So I'm gonna do a hair mask. Unfortunately, this does mean that today you're gonna see me the whole day with a hair mask in and I'm gonna look horrible and bald. But I'm not really planning on leaving the house today. So I'm gonna use this Giza hair mask. I used to oil my hair quite a lot, like overnight, and I never really do that anymore. So I need to try and get myself some hair oil. I've got the Giza one, but that's so expensive. I'm not using that all over my hair. I am also doing something really exciting tomorrow, which I'll tell you about later, but I'm hoping my hair will look all nice for that. Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas episode 5. I realised I hadn't started the vlog off properly, but as you have just seen, I am starting to have a bit of a clothing clear out. The dust is like really setting me off. I'm just getting so irritated by the fact I can't open literally any of my cupboards because they're just so full. I want to try and sell some stuff, but no one ever buys stuff from my Vinted, and I just have, like over here, I have a huge bag that has been there for honestly over a year of stuff that's on my Vinted, and nobody's buying it. So I'm gonna put a couple more things up today, but I think I'm just gonna probably have to end up taking stuff to the charity shops. I've just made a small pile there of some jumpers I think I'm gonna get rid of. I'm really bad at parting with clothes. I'm really sentimental, so if anything has any sort of like background or meaning to it, I will not get rid of it. Like there was a jumper I was gonna get rid of, but I wore it on, actually funnily enough I forgot to put my engagement ring on, but I wore it on the trip to Paris when Danny and I got engaged, so obviously I can't get rid of that jumper. So we will see. I might end up just putting all that stuff back in my cupboard, but hopefully not. Sorry, I feel like I'm so close to the camera, but yeah, just having quite a chill day today because I'm still not feeling 100%. I think I might do some Christmas crafts later. I'm not sure, we will see. Hopefully it will still be a nice festive day, but I'm gonna try and get rid of some clothes. And then tomorrow, I'll just tell you now, as soon as this day is going to be kind of boring, so hopefully you won't click off, but tomorrow I am going to re-try on my wedding dress, which is very exciting. I don't really know why I'm doing this, to be honest, but they just phoned me and said that my dress had got into the shop, so if I wanted to come try it on again, so I was like, okay. So yeah, that's the plan for this vlog, but now I'm going to go onto that cupboard. Also, I'm trying to like cover my face because I look really bad. Look what I just found in my wardrobe. My mum got me this last year. A wicked bauble. Can I go put this on the tree? I'm regretting doing this now. I can't be bothered. Okay, here's how my wardrobe looks. And that's my pile of clothes that I think I'm gonna try sell. Honestly, there still isn't that much space, but I feel like at least it's tidier than before. And now I need to do my shoes, which I am actually dreading. But I feel like some of my shoes are getting ruined because they're all crushed in this basket. This evening we have decided instead of doing Christmas crafts, we're gonna do a jigsaw because we have this nice Christmassy one that we haven't done before. We're having fajitas for dinner with corn pieces, except we forgot to get any veg except lettuce because we literally went to 6 shops this evening, so we were a bit stressed, but
Crazy.
time
It
for
was a
dinner.
palaver.
It was a big palaver.
Please, sir.
See, were you waiting for your dinner?
He's already had it.
Oh. See, Bones is the polite one. Here's our progress. We've done one side and it's currently 9:30. Today is Thursday. I'm off to my wedding dress fitting thing. I actually feel kind of worse today, unfortunately, but I couldn't cancel this. So we're pushing through. Hopefully it'll be fun. It's just me and my mum going. They were like, we'll see you and your 8 guests. And I was like, literally it's just me and my mum, nobody else can make it. But it should be fun. I'm kind of nervous actually in case I try it on and actually hate it, but I'm sure that won't happen.
Never ever.
Are you going to put this together as well? Yeah. You're about to cycle again. I've just got back to the flat. I've had a really nice day. I'm not feeling very well though, so I am quite happy to be home. But today was really fun. I went and saw my wedding dress. I got it back in July, I think, and I didn't really get any good photos in it, so I don't have a lot to look back on. So it was nice to try it on and know that I definitely made the right decision. It's very nice. And then my mum and I went for lunch and Danny joined us, and then we did a bit of Christmas shopping. So I thought I could show you what I picked up. The first place I went was Space NK. This was for myself. If you watched the video where we went to Edinburgh, then you'll know I was trying a lipstick from Refi. It's this one in Mulberry. I actually have it on right now. It does look really dark, which I don't think it's like that normally. I think I just put a lot on. I mean, it is obviously still dark, but I wanted like a nice berry kind of color. I'm hoping it suits me. I feel like this kind of color suits my skin tone, like a darker color, but I feel like because I've got small lips, it looks kind of bad. Hoping it's okay, but I did have a £5 off voucher, which was good. Then I went to Primark also for myself, but I basically got invited to a Pilates studio, which I'm really excited to go to, except the girl gave me 3 passes and I'm obviously gonna like film it and stuff like that, but the passes run out next week and I haven't used a single one. And obviously I'm not very well right now, so I feel like I shouldn't be going and doing exercise, but hopefully I'll be okay in the next couple of days, because obviously I want to use my passes up and I've never done Pilates before. I'm actually really excited, but I needed some Pilates socks, so I got some from Primark. These were £4. These were the only ones they had. They say Sunday Club, which I kind of hate, but I like the colours, and again, they were the only ones they had. Then I picked up a couple of Christmas presents for Danny. Danny, if you're watching, turn this off. He probably won't be, but sometimes he puts my videos on in the background so that I get the ad money from them, so I'm gonna tell him not to do it with this one. Hi Zero. But I have a wee stocking for him, so I picked up this SPF moisturizer. He doesn't really have any of his own moisturizers and sometimes uses mine, so I thought I'd pick him up his own. And he never wears SPF, and I wear SPF 50 every day, so I feel like he should start using it. And then I went to TK Maxx and I got him a jumper. I wasn't too sure if I was definitely, oh my gosh, wait, you need to see this. Is that comfy, Zero? I wasn't sure if I was definitely gonna get him a jumper or not, but I thought if I saw a nice one, then I'd pick it up, and I got this one. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a cable knit at the top, which I thought was nice. I wanted to get him more of a wintry jumper. Originally, I was thinking of maybe like a fleece, kind of like an outdoorsy fleece, but I feel like this one is a nice mix of cozy, but he can still wear it to the office. So I was very pleased with that. I feel like I've almost finished getting all of Danny's presents. I feel really organized this year. I did see a video the other day of a girl, this was like literally like 3 days ago, maybe 4 days ago, of a girl being like going last minute Christmas shopping, and I was like, to me last minute is not the start of December. To me last minute is like the week before. But Danny and I were both saying this last night that we actually kind of enjoy a last minute Christmas present trip because it just feels so nice and Christmassy. But I am very organized this year actually. I feel like I'm going in and out of focus because of the lighting, but that was everything I picked up. I think I'm gonna have a shower now, get into some comfy clothes, and then maybe put a Christmas film on. I don't really know. I feel like I should do some work, but I am really tired and I just don't feel very good. So I kind of want to sit on the couch with a cup of tea. Oh my gosh, I look really quite terrible, but I've had a shower, I've taken my makeup off, and I've made myself a cup of tea, and I think what I'm gonna watch is the new season of Stranger Things. I spoke about this a couple vlogs ago, I think, that obviously the new season's out, and I just have no idea what happened in the last season at all. Is that the one where Max is like running, is she in the upside down, I don't even know, to Kate Bush? Is that season? I can also remember something to do with Russians, like being in a Russian prison. Is that the last season? Literally have no idea. Maybe I should watch a recap before I start this season. But my family all love Stranger Things and we want to watch the next episodes on Christmas Day, so I need to catch up. I also bought myself today, I forgot to show you, a candy cane because I was watching like old Christmas YouTube, like Bethany Mota, Steal Babe 09, people like that, and they all love to put candy canes like in hot chocolate and make candy cane hot chocolate, so I bought a candy cane. I've actually decided instead of Stranger Things that I'm gonna watch the Nativity because I love the Nativity and I feel like I need to focus more on Stranger Things, and I just know I am not in a place to focus right now, so I'm gonna watch the Nativity, nice and Christmassy. Danny and I got a Too Good To Go bag tonight, so I thought I could show you what was inside. I am gonna film a TikTok, so I'm not gonna look at the camera, I'm sorry. Okay, it looks like a lot of sandwiches. That's kind of disappointing. So we've got cheese and tomato toasty. Okay, it's looking like a lot of toasties in here. Another cheese and tomato toasty. Oh, sausage roll. Okay, yum. A ham and cheese toasty. Oh, guys, I'm disappointed. And a brie, bacon, and cranberry panini. Well, I was hoping for a sweet treat. Okay, that was kind of a flop in my opinion.